when we start teaching letter sounds to the child and we come across the letter C and K, we wonder if they make the same sound. Yes, they make the same sound. And then when we teach them the blending skills and we make them read words, we come across words that have K in the last, which is written with C and K. Some of the words are duck, pig, lock, etc. How do we go about teaching these words to the child? So if you're looking forward to teach K sound to your child, then this video might help you. Hello everybody, I'm Chetna. I welcome you to my channel, and today I'm going to share tips for teaching K sound to your child based on my teaching experiences. So let's get started. So when we want to teach them the K sound, the best idea is to take both the letters together. We can tell them that C makes the K sound and there's a letter K that also makes the K sound. And then we can introduce the Jolly Phonics jingle to them, which they enjoy, and that makes it easier for the child to learn the sound. We can take the jingle of C and K one by one. Let's start with the jingle of C. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. And then we can take the jingle for K. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky, kites are flying in the sky. After introducing the jingle to them, we can introduce the words. We can give them a set of words which begin with that particular letter. So we can take up C letter and we can give words that begin with C. So we can give them cake, cot, cup, can, cut, etc. And then we can go to the letter K and we can take words that begin with cake, like kite, kettle, kangaroo, kid, kit, etc. So when you give them a vocabulary, we build a certain vocabulary of the words that begin with these sounds. At level 1, we can simply give them a set of words beginning with both of them. Once they learn about, they have a good knowledge of the vowels, then we can introduce the rule of C and K. Now that you've given a vocabulary to the child, some basic words, so child will be able to write the words correctly, some of them which you've already taught. For example, if the child has to write the word cat, so he or she would have heard from you several times, seek her cat, seek her cat. So the child is going to write at, so he is going to choose the letter C only. In the same way, if the child has to write the word kit, so child would have heard from you cake, kit, so child will be writing K only. But then even if the child is not able to find out the correct letter, you can help, and then later you can introduce the rule to the child. Hey, so the child knows the sound of letter C and K, which is K. It is time to teach them the sound of C and K together, and it is the same that independently they make C and K, they make the K sound, and when they are together also they make the sound K. So we have to tell them that when they see K in the last, they have to say the sound only once, and when you make them read the words, once they have basic blending skills, you can tell them that when they see CK, you have to say K. So some of the words I am going to take for you that you can take up with the child to teach the CK. So this is P, A, K, pack. Some children may read it as P, A, pa, pack, pack. So that is also fine. T, R, A, K, truck. L, O, K, lock. Ik, sick. So this is the K sound, and I'm sure the kids are going to pick it really fast. So these were some of the steps that you can use to teach the K sound to your child. If you found it useful, then you can click the like button and You can subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my latest videos. If there is any topic that you want me to take up, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and see you again.